Acting websites at FeedSpot. Chapter 1. Lists of acting websites. Acting magazines at magazine.feedspot.com/acting_magazines. actingmagazine.com. backstage.com/magazine/specialty/acting. bummagazine.org/topics/acting. moviemaker.com/category/archive/moviemaking/acting/articles-acting. moviemaker.com. studentfilmmakers.com. Acting websites at bloggers.feedspot.com/acting_blogs. actingbabe.com/blogs. actingcoachscotland.co.uk/blog. actinginlondon.co.uk. actingmagazine.com/articles. actings2dio.chicago.com/blog. actingwithoutthedrama.blogspot.com. actoraesthetic.com/blog. actorscenter.co.uk/blog. actorsconnection.com/about/acting-blog. actorsworkshopstudios.net. andrewwoodlaw.com/blog. anthonymeindl.com/blog. backstage.com/magazine. benedictcumberbatch.co.uk. bernardhiller.com/blog. castingfrontier.com/blog. cityheadshots.com/blog. dailyactor.com. douglasdowrell.com/blog. inside the actor's studio apartment.blogspot.com. jamesdevereaux.com/category/the acting lawacting.davidauguste.com. lbactingstudio.com/blog. lesliecon.com/blog. masteringthebulletinsinesofacting.com/blog. mindfulacting.co.uk/blog. monologueblogger.com. nickdunning.com/blog. onstageblog.com. sagaftra.org/news-events. soniacook.com/blog. stagemilk.com. stellaadler.com. strasbourg.edu/blog. tbellactorsstudio.com/blog. the-modern-actor.com/blog. theactorsplace.org/acting-blog. theactorswork.com. theaterfolk.com/blog. wayneburnsactor.blogspot.com. wearyactors.com/category/film-news. webforactors.com/blog. Acting blogs in the US not in the previous list at weblog.feedspot.com/acting-blogs-in-us. mikesfilmtalk.com. Acting news feeds at rss.feedspot.com/acting_rss_feeds. actingmagazine.com/feed. actings2dio.chicago.com/blog/feed. actoraesthetic.com. actorsconnection.com. andrewwoodlaw.com. anthonymeindl.com. backstage.com. bernardhiller.com. castingfrontier.com. cityheadshots.com. dojoactors.com. douglasdowrell.com. emmaslaw.com. feeds.davidauguste.com. feeds.feedburner.com. feedspot.com. jamesdevereaux.com. lbactingstudio.com. lesliecon.com. masteringthebulletinsinesofacting.com. mikesfilmtalk.com. mindfulacting.co.uk. nickdunning.com. newyorkfa.edu. sagaftra.org. smartg.com. soniacook.com. strasbourg.edu. tbellactorsstudio.com. the-modern-actor.com. theactorsplace.org. theaterfolk.com. thelanote.com. tomtodoroff.com. wearyactors.com. webforactors.com. Casting websites at bloggers.feedspot.com/casting_blogs and rss.feedspot.com/casting_rss_feeds. Backstage.com/magazine. Castingfrontier.com/blog. Castingnetworks.com/news/feed. Centralcasting.com/articles. Deadline.com/category/casting. envisagecastingagency.co.uk/blog. eonline.com/news/casting. movieweb.com/feed/casting-news. nickdunning.com/blog. newyorkcastings.com/acting-advice. popsugar.com/latest/casting-news. tvline.com/c/casting-news. winteriscoming.net/news/casting. Drama websites at rss.feedspot.com/drama_rss_feeds. audiodramareviews.com. britishlibrary.typepad.co.uk/english-and-drama. see dramaaficionado.com. drama.cmu.edu. drama.washington.edu. dramamlakey.com. everything-theatre.co.uk. feeds.feedburner.com/revsta-nstahitreblog. feeds.feedburner.com/english-and-drama. feeds.megaphone.fm/Greater Boston. glasgowtahitreblog.com. greaterbostonshow.com. griffintheatre.com.au/blog. howlround.com. kdramafighting.com. michaelgray.blogspot.com. newyorktheaterreview.blogspot.com. onstageblog.com. opendramoc.org/blog. autoclowns.com. shoeboxtheatre.org.uk/blog. stagelefttheatre.com/blog. theatre.revstan.com. theatrecat.com. theatrefolk.com/blog. theatremontgomery.blogspot.com. theatrescenes.co.nz. thedramateacher.com. themarkdrama.com. theplaysdhatinguk.com. treehousetheatre.com/blog-1. chweezithitreblog.com. westendwhingers.wordpress.com. westendwilma.com.